Hi! In front of me is TCL 206, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this device. Start by going into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Security and Biometrics. Then choose Face Unlock. Enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. After that, go back, read the instructions and tap on Start. Remember to keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then select Done over here and tap on OK. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and click on Home button. After that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!